Hello my little learners. Welcome back to Jolly Tots Academy. In our last video, we learned counting from 21 to 40. Today, let's continue and learn the numbers from 41 to 60. Let's count together. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60. Well done! Now you know your numbers up to 60. That's it for today. Don't forget to watch the next video to keep learning with me. Bye for now.